The Adelphi police in St James are reporting the murder of another man in Canaan district on Thursday night. The deceased have been identified as 25-year-old Trevon Stoddart of a Smithfield address in Savannah, Westmoreland. A reprisal attack stemming from a deadly gang warfare which erupted in Mt Salem St James on Monday has resulted in 2 men being shot and seriously wounded at the intersection of Cottage Road and the Mt Salem Main Road in Montego Bay on Thursday night. A Trelawney man was shot and killed at his home during an alleged confrontation with members of the security force early Thursday morning. The deceased have been identified as 23-year-old Denoby Pritchard of Water Lane, Falmouth in the parish. Reports are that about 5:15 a.m. members of the Jamaica Constabulary led a police military team to Pritchard's home to serve him a warrant. It is alleged that Pritchard pointed a gun at members of the security forces who had entered the house. He was subsequently shot. He was taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead. A man was shot and killed in what the Clarendon police are theorizing is a reprisal for another shooting 6 months ago. About 11:26 on Wednesday, 32-year-old Norman Bingham, also known as Benson or Dangles, were shot and killed by unknown assailants at Boyd Villa Portland Cottage in Clarendon. According to the police, loud explosions were heard by residents who summoned the lawmen. On their arrival, Bingham was found in bushes with what appeared to be gunshot wounds to his right foot and upper body. He was taken to the Mapen Hospital where he was pronounced dead while undergoing treatment. The police further report stated that the deceased was killed in reprisal for the November shooting of a resident of Rocky Settlement in Clarendon. It is believed that Bingham was the perpetrator of that incident. Bingham was no stranger to the cops as he was targeted on several operations regarding illegal firearms and ammunition, but he managed to elude the lawmen. A Jamaica Defense Force soldier is believed to have drowned during training at the National Stadium pool in St Andrew on Thursday. The deceased is Private Jerome McCarthy. According to the JDF, McCarthy was found unresponsive in the swimming pool at the National Stadium complex and was rushed to the University Hospital of the West Indies for medical attention. He was pronounced dead on arrival at the hospital. The JDF, in expressing sadness at the McCarthy's death, offered its condolences to his family, friends, and other loved ones. Meanwhile, many persons have been expressing shock at the death of the young soldier.